Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. To anyone who lived through the 1980s, the notion that the lowly Dodge Omni or Lancer hatchback might someday become a collectible classic would be like predicting that fruit roll-ups will be a culinary chef d'oeuvre in 2045. But the surprisingly prolific partnership struck in the 1980s between Chrysler Corporation and Carroll Shelby may have given a number of otherwise craptastic Dodges a fighting chance to see their values actually rise. Regardless of how many intact and well-preserved Dodge Shelby Chargers or Shelby Lancers or Shadow-based Shelby CSX coupes might be out there in heated, moisture-controlled garages waiting for their moment to re-arise, it seems likely that none may ever be worth as much as the ones going to auction, with no reserve, at the Greenwich Concours d'Elegance on June 3. 2 Chargers, 2 CSX coupes, and a Lancer are among 23 vehicles, including 2 prototype Dodge pickups, being sold directly from Carroll Shelby's estate. Any car good enough for Ol Shel's personal collection is collectible. While these are arguably the very best examples of the very best versions of some of the very most marginal cars America has ever made, we kinda think that the Bonham's auction house's estimates of $5,000 to $15,000 seem a little low. A K car will always be a K car, but how many have such complete documentation, so few miles, commemorative plaques inside indicating they're the first of their kind, and Carroll Shelby's signature? So go dig around between the couch cushions, bring what you find to Connecticut, and take home a very thin slice of automotive history. The first offspring of the Dodge Shelby partnership was this 1982 Dodge Shelby Charger prototype, modified by Shelby, which was the running prototype for the 1983 production models. Its suspension was lowered nearly an inch and a quicker steering rack was fitted, while its naturally aspirated 2.2-liter inline-4 was pumped up to 107 horsepower from 94, helping it hit 60 miles per hour in less than 10 seconds. Odometer, 13,500 miles. Bonham's lists the Shelby CSX as a Dodge, but you won't find the Dodge name or even a Pentastar logo anywhere on it, as Shelby modified and marketed his Shadow-based CSX, which stood for Carroll Shelby's Experimental, under his own brand. The K-car-based CSX used the outgoing Omni GLHS's 175 horsepower turbocharged 2.2-liter 4 and 5-speed manual transmission and added an upgraded turbo. It rides on a suspension lowered by 3/4 of an inch and has brushed aluminum wheels. All 750 Shelby CSX coupes built for 1987 wore black over gray paint and a blue stripe, with directional wheels. The numbered plaque on this one's dashboard says CSX1. Odometer, 15,000 miles. The Shelby Lancer is the luxury car of the group, the only one with more doors than gears. It uses the same 175 horsepower turbo 2.2-liter 4 as the Shelby Charger and CSX, paired in this case to a 3-speed automatic, as were half of the 800 Shelby Lancers built for 1987. Each wore bright graphic red paint, and as Lancer number 1, this car came with the optional sport seats and thoroughly modified touring suspension, plus stylish black wheels. Odometer, less than 50,000 miles. Carroll Shelby is said to have loved those mid-80s Chargers, and the 87 GLHS was its last year in production. Fittingly, each of the 1,000 cars built that year wore black and featured the 175 horsepower turbocharged 2.2-liter 4-cylinder from the 86 Omni GLHS that also powered the CSX and Lancer in 87, along with the 5-speed manual transmission, Coney shocks, vented front brake discs, and stiffer anti-roll bars. They got gray interiors, air conditioning, and a sunroof, too. Odometer, less than 25,000 miles. The exotic red 1989 Shelby CSX VNT not only wore refreshed styling but also featured lightweight fibride reinforced plastic wheels rendered in gold. Subtle. Also new that year was an innovative variable nozzle turbocharger that helped Shelby eke another 30 pounds-to-foot of torque from the 2.2-liter engine, bringing the total to 205 pounds-to-foot at rode an inch lower on Monroe coilovers. Only 500 were built. Odometer, less than 7,200 miles. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.